How to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. We'll cover connecting your wallet, understanding payouts, and the withdrawal process. Before we dive into withdrawals, let's talk about earning in Hamster Kombat first. You need to have some money in your account. There are two main ways to earn in Hamster Kombat. Buying cards. By purchasing cards, you can increase your profits per hour. Hamster Kombat has mentioned that airdrops depend on your profit per hour, not the total generated coins. Participating in daily combos and sci-fi. You can find more info on the Hamster Kombat Daily Combo page. Participating in these can give you millions of points, which you can use to buy cards and boost your profit per hour. So, if you haven't been participating in daily combos and sci-fi, now is the right time to start. This will help you gain enough coin balance to buy cards and boost your profit per hour. Now let's talk about connecting your wallet for withdrawal. To withdraw from Hamster Kombat, you'll need a Ton wallet. On your Hamster Kombat interface, click on Airdrop. Then, click on Connect Your Ton Wallet. Once you click on Connect Your Ton Wallet again, you'll see a series of wallets you can connect to Hamster Kombat. I recommend using the Ton Keeper. I'll leave a link in the description below, or you can click the link here to watch a video on how to properly create a Ton wallet. After creating your Ton wallet, and you're on this session, click on the Ton Keeper. This interface will appear, requesting you to connect to Hamster Kombat. Click on Connect Wallet. It will request the passcode you use to create your wallet. If you need more guidance on creating a Ton Keeper wallet, check the link in the description below. After entering your passcode, you'll get a notification saying Done. Wait for the interface that confirms your Ton wallet is connected. To confirm your wallet is properly linked to Hamster Kombat, go to your Ton Keeper, click on Browser, then Connected. If everything looks good, congratulations! Your Hamster Kombat is successfully linked to your Ton wallet, ready for the airdrop. Here's the key point. You can't withdraw money yet. Hamster Kombat coin isn't on exchanges at the moment, and there's no withdrawal button yet. It still says airdrop. Connecting your wallet is part of airdrop participation. Keep an eye on their website and Telegram channel for updates on the coin launch and withdrawal ability. To earn more coins, click on Mine on the Hamster Kombat interface. Look for cards in specials and legals. These cards usually have high profit per hour, boosting your earnings once the token is listed. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can sign up on Bybit and get a free $20 USDT coupon. If you haven't been using Bybit, hurry and register to get your free $20 USDT now. And this is how to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.